Hello my friends, let me tell you, today I have a mouth-watering treat for you. I am sharing my incredibly tasty air fryer lean beef patties. Now, these patties are not only delicious, but can be used throughout the week with your different meals. So they're perfect for your meal planning toolkit. So I have partnered with the National Cattlemen's Beef Association, a contractor of the beef checkoff, to share with you this recipe, tips, and meal ideas. Not all protein is created equal. Beef is a high-quality protein containing all essential amino acids. Those are the ones that your body cannot make on its own. This makes beef a complete protein with an impressive amino acid profile. One specific amino acid in beef to note is leucine. It is a key player in muscle protein synthesis. 4 ounces of this ground beef contains 1.76 grams of the branched chain amino acid leucine, which is higher than most other food sources. It has been hypothesized that 2 to 3 grams of leucine is needed to activate the muscle building pathway. Beef also contains high amounts of the amino acid glutamine, which can aid in muscle recovery. This is why beef is known as a key player in tissue repair and muscle building, so an important food to help you reach your weight and fitness goals. So now, let's get cooking. I am making these lean beef patties with 90% lean ground beef. I have a great tip for you. One way you can increase the consumption of fruits and vegetables is by adding them into your recipes. I am adding veggies to my lean beef patties. So this way, I'm uniting the power of plants and the goodness of beef. So, you are first going to add the ground beef into a large bowl and set aside. Using a food processor or a blender, grind the mushrooms and carrots. Then add the veggie mixture to the bowl and continue by adding the green onions, salt and pepper. Mix well, then using your hands, make 8 patties and add them to the air fryer basket. Halfway through cooking, flip them over. You'll want to use a meat thermometer to register an internal temperature of 160 Fahrenheit. Here, I have another tip for you. If you find yourself with only access of 80-20 ground beef, there's a little trick you can use, the draining and rinsing method. Simply cook the ground beef, drain the excess fat in a colander, and give it a good rinse under hot water. This can help reduce the fat content, making it closer to the leanness we're aiming for. So there you have it, lean air fryer burger patties, packed with amino acids, flavor, and versatility. These beef patties, as part of a healthy diet, can help reach your weight and fitness goals. Alright my friends, the best part, the taste. I'm gonna actually grab a little piece from here. Excellent. Perfecto. Like I told you before, incredibly tasty and also versatile, because I'm gonna show you now how many different ways you can use these patties throughout the week. For my first example, how about serving these lean beef patties on a bit of crisp lettuce leaves, topped with fresh avocado slices with cherry tomatoes and Greek yogurt sauce. Second, cut them up and add them to eggs with spinach for breakfast that will keep you full all day. Third, you can wrap them in a whole grain tortilla with some sauté veggies for a delightful and nutritious wrap. Last but not least, snacks. On the go, you can have an apple and a beef patty, or at home or at your desk, you have a warm soup and add some pieces of this beef patty for your protein choice. As you can see, definitely these lean beef patties can be part of your meal plan toolkit to help you reach your weight and fitness goal. To learn more and inspiration with recipes, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com. And don't forget to like, comment, tell me how you like to make your beef patties, subscribe, hit the bell so you can see more of Manuel's Caliente Kitchen recipes and nutrition.